Recently, in which country's Darfur region did a drone attack on a hospital kill 67 people? A. Iraq. B. Sudan. C. Syria. D. Afghanistan. Correct answer is Sudan. A drone attack on one of the last functioning hospitals in El Fasher in Sudan's Darfur region has killed 67 people and injured dozens, local activists and a medical source said Saturday, updating an earlier toll. In El Fasher, where ambulances and hospital buildings have been routinely targeted, medical charity Doctors Without Borders said this month the Saudi hospital was the only public hospital with surgical capacity still standing. Which country recently banned the activities of the UNRWA, United Nations Relief and Works Agency? A. Israel. B. Syria. C. Lebanon. D. Jordan. Correct answer is Israel. A ban on the United Nations Agency for Palestinian Refugees, UNRWA, in Israel has come into effect, impacting the organization's life-saving work in Gaza and the occupied West Bank. On Thursday, the law, which was passed in October, bans UNRWA from operating on Israeli land, including in occupied East Jerusalem, and contact with Israeli authorities is forbidden. Which study highlights the post-COVID recovery and challenges in reading and arithmetic for students? A. PISA. B. ASER. C. NCERT. D. TIMSS. Correct answer is ASER. The Annual Status of Education Report 2024 shows significant improvements in learning levels in government schools, attributing success to the National Education Policy's Foundational Literacy and Numeracy program. Key findings include a 98% enrollment rate for children aged 6 to 14, increased reading and arithmetic skills in government schools, and high smartphone access for students. Which state has become the first in the Northeast to sign and more with Bhashini for multilingual governance? A. Assam. B. Tripura. C. Nagaland. D. Meghalaya. Correct answer is Tripura. Tripura has become the first northeastern state to sign and move with Bhashini, a Digital India initiative, to promote multilingual governance and bridge the digital divide by enabling access to digital services in regional languages. In which state will the cannabis cultivation pilot project be initiated? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Gujarat. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. The Himachal Pradesh government has recently approved a pilot project for cannabis cultivation. This decision was made on 24th January 2025. The initiative aims to explore the agricultural, medicinal, and industrial potential of cannabis. The state is joining others like Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh in permitting controlled cannabis cultivation. Which two countries are amending the Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, DTA? A. India and Pakistan. B. India and Oman. C. India and Sri Lanka. D. India and Bangladesh. Correct answer is India and Oman. India and Oman have signed a protocol to amend the Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, DTA, and have also agreed to continue negotiations on the proposed India-Oman Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, CEPA. This was agreed between the two countries during the visit of the Union Minister for Commerce and Industry, Piyush Goyal, to Oman. In which national park was an elephant spotted after 12 years? A. Kaziranga National Park. B. Sundarbans National Park. C. Namdapha National Park. D. Jim Corbett National Park. Correct answer is Namdapha National Park. Recent developments in Namdapha National Park have sparked renewed interest in wildlife conservation. An adult male elephant was recorded in the park after a 12-year absence. This sighting is for both ecological research and community engagement in conservation efforts. Which country recently won the ICC Women's Championship title? A. India. B. Australia. C. England. D. New Zealand. Correct answer is Australia. Australia has reaffirmed its supremacy in women's cricket by clinching the ICC Women's Championship for the third straight time. The team was awarded the esteemed ICC Women's Championship trophy in Melbourne after securing victory. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.